Hey everyone, I'm Jason Devastation. I'm here at Hairstory Studio in New York City, and today I'm joined by Jakaya and Wes, and they're gonna help me demonstrate for you some simple and quick stretches that you can do during your workday to keep your body in shape and injury-free. And as you know, we're always on our feet for long hours, seeing lots of clients, and it gets exhausting. So I'm gonna start by doing a quick lower back release, and we're gonna do that by sitting down in the chairs. So if you join me, guys. You're gonna sit in the chair and just sit up straight. Keep your knees a little bit wider than your shoulder, and then you're just simply gonna lean forward. You're gonna fold forward between your legs, and you can let your arms dangle and let your head dangle. And you just stay here for, 5 to 10 breaths. If you feel like you could use a little extra stretch, then you can take your hands and put it on the base of your skull and just allow the weight of your hands to pull your head down. This is a really easy way to release the lower back. In some ways, it's better than a standing forward fold because that involves the hamstrings. So this way we take everything else out of the equation and we just release the lower back. Since we're already sitting, another thing that we can do if you're feeling tired in the middle of your day, there's a great acupressure point here on the outside of your shins, and it's about one hand's distance down the outside of your leg, and you can just beat it with your fists. You can do that for as long as you want. But it feels really good and it'll bring some energy back into your body after you've been standing on your feet for however many hours. All right, so now we're done with the lower back stretching and we're gonna work on the upper body now. We're gonna work on opening the shoulders and opening the wrists a little bit. For those of you who have struggled with carpal tunnel, this will be a good, simple stretch for you. Maybe you already know it. I'm gonna demonstrate facing you, and then my two lovely assistants are gonna go to the wall. So hold your arm out in front of you. Wrist should be about shoulder height, and I'm gonna grab with my fingers and pull my fingers down. And you can go to the wall, fingers pointing down, and you can just apply pressure. Perfect. And so you can hold this stretch for 30 seconds. 30 seconds is about what I recommend for most stretches. You don't really need to keep it much longer than that. So you can release that. And then you change the direction. I'm gonna go to the wall with them and have your fingers pointing behind you. Hands should be about shoulder height. And then you can just turn your body out and open and give yourself a little pec massage to open up your chest. And turn your head towards the opposite direction. Perfect. And this is a really awesome chest opener, a wrist stretch, gets you the whole way down the arm. All right, so now we're gonna do another shoulder stretch. You raise your right arm in the air, turn your hand behind you, and then bring it to your back like you're giving yourself a pat on the back. You're gonna take your other arm and put your hand on your elbow, and then gently pull down. So I'll give you a nice stretch here on your lats. Open up your shoulder, a little bit more chest, tricep. And then you release this arm, bring this arm back up, down, and the other side. All right, so now we're gonna stretch out our necks. You raise your right arm, Put your hand over your head, touching your opposite ear, and you're just gonna allow the weight of your hand to pull your neck to the side, pull your head to the side. And you can kind of creep your fingers around the back of your head as you move your head down. Just allow the weight of your hand to do the stretch for you. You can do this until your head is in the center, and then release. Then you repeat on the other side. And so now we'll finish off by congratulating ourselves and giving ourselves a really big hug. A squeeze. Thanks for joining us on our stretching video today. I hope you found these tips useful, and I hope that you use them. Thank you to Jakaya and Wes for joining me and helping me demonstrate for you how to take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Hairstory Studios YouTube channel, and thank you so much.